Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best conversion top is probably one of the most versatile ways to bring table tennis into your home without the space commitment of a full-size table. These innovative tops transform any flat surface, like a dining table or a pool table, into a table tennis arena, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a casual player or a seasoned competitor, this is a great option. Number 5. JOOLA Ping Pong Conversion Top for Billiard Tables. Tired of the same old game? This conversion top transforms your billiard, dining, or picnic table into a regulation-size ping pong table. It's a quick and easy way to add some excitement to your game nights. This table is 9 by 5 feet, the standard size for table tennis. It's 12 mm thick, ensuring a great playing experience. Get ready to enjoy a professional quality game right in your home. The 4-piece hinge design makes setup and storage a breeze. When you're done playing, it folds up easily for compact storage. It's designed for convenience. Worried about damaging your table? This conversion top has protective pads on the bottom to keep your pool table scratch-free. It's designed to protect your existing furniture. Setting it up is incredibly easy. Just unfold the 2 table halves, place them on your table, and attach the net. You'll be playing in minutes. A custom JOOLA net and post set comes included with the conversion top. Everything you need to start playing is in the box. Get ready to play. What we like. This conversion top is designed for convenience. It features a compact, 4-piece hinge design for easy storage. If you have limited space but still want the fun of table tennis, this is a great choice. It is perfect for those who value both play and practicality. What people say. The net is simple and easy to install. Table tennis top came well packaged and undamaged. Very sturdy, well made and looks very nice. This table topper fit perfectly on our pool table, was super easy to set up, had plenty of pads for underneath which also seem to prevent it from sliding when bumped and help me level it. The blocks that come in the box, don't throw them out, to level the center work just right, and the net fits and stays latched with no issues. Number 4. JOOLA Ping Pong Conversion Top. Want to play table tennis but don't have space? This conversion top transforms your existing table into a regulation-sized table tennis table in minutes. It's easy to set up and ready to go. Enjoy a full 9 by 5 foot table tennis surface. The multi-layer painted blue color and 15 mm surface provide a consistent ball bounce. It weighs 108.9 pounds. Setting up is a breeze. Simply place the 2 halves on your table and attach the included net. You'll be playing in just 5 minutes. Don't worry about damaging your table. The 10 EVA foam pads create a protective cushion. This allows you to switch between games without any issues. The 1.5-inch steel tube aprons provide excellent support. This ensures the table top remains flat for consistent play. It's built to last for years. What we like. This product offers a professional playing experience. It boasts a regulation-size playing surface with a consistent bounce. If you are looking for a high-quality playing experience and want to protect your investment, this conversion top is ideal for you. What people say. The tabletop is very easy to set up. It is a great way to convert a table into a table tennis table. The net is of good quality. Number 3. EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Conversion Top. This ping pong table topper is perfect for family game nights. It's an ideal indoor game for the whole family to enjoy, whether you're in the game room or the rec room. This table is regulation size, providing a consistent bounce for a professional feel. It comes with a steel net and post set, so you can play like the pros. No assembly is required, just unbox it and place it on any surface. It's most commonly used as a topper for a pool table or dining room table, ready for instant fun. The lightweight design makes it easy to move and store. It folds into 4 pieces, and can be tucked away until the next game. EastPoint Sports provides high-quality, innovative products for you and your family. This table offers endless entertainment and great value. What we like. This table tennis topper is all about ease of use. It requires zero assembly and folds down for easy storage. If you like a quick setup and portability, this is the perfect choice for spontaneous games and easy storage. What people say. The packaging was a box inside a box to completely protect corners and entire table. The size is big. The quality is great. The middle piece that holds the two sides together is tight, but if you are careful it will be fine and not peel off the laminate top. Just take your time. It takes 2 people to set it up. It's so big and a little heavy you will need 2 people. One setup it is fantastic. Looks sharp with the blue and white, and the net is good as well. The net clamps help keep everything tight. The bounce is great and no issue with the seam along each side. Completely unnoticed while playing. Number 2. KILPATRICK Ping Pong Conversion Table. Tired of the same old game? This innovative conversion kit transforms your pool table into a ping pong arena. It's the ultimate pool table accessory for endless fun. Unlike other ping pong tables, this one comes with a 3-year warranty. Plus, it includes a complete table tennis racket set with paddles and balls, so you're ready to play right away. Worried about damaging your pool table? Don't be. Foam pads are included to protect the conversion top from scratching or denting your pool table surface. This sturdy 3/4-inch tabletop is regulation size, ensuring a professional playing experience. The metal apron adds to its durability and overall quality. The table's halves lock securely together, preventing any sliding during intense matches. This feature ensures a stable and enjoyable ping pong experience. What we like. This conversion table offers peace of mind. It comes with a 3-year warranty and includes a paddle set, ready for immediate play. If you are looking for a complete package with added value and protection, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a very sturdy table and nicely designed. The 2 halves interlock, preventing them from separating. Each half of the table is a solid piece with no seams fold in it. Number 1. Butterfly Pool Table Conversion Ping Pong Table. Introducing the Butterfly Pool Table Conversion Top. This innovative product transforms your pool table into a high-quality ping pong table. It's designed for performance and easy setup. The tabletop is 3/4-inch thick, ensuring a great playing experience. It's designed to meet the standards for performance play. This feature sets it apart from other tabletop games. Setting up this table is a breeze. It comes in 2 halves with a net that easily clips into place. You can quickly transform your game room with this simple accessory. It features a full foam backing to protect your pool table. This design prevents scratching and chipping, keeping your pool table in great condition. This ensures the longevity of the product. This ping pong table topper is a regulation 9x5 size. It's designed to fit 8-foot pool tables, and it also fits larger billiard tables with a removable apron. It includes everything you need to get started. The package includes the table tennis top and the net. This is a complete set, ready for you to start playing. Enjoy hours of fun with this convenient conversion top. What we like. This table tennis conversion top is designed for ease of use and protection. It features a quick setup with a full foam backing to protect your table. If you value a simple setup and want to protect your table, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Most impressive is the padding underneath. Pre-installed and covers the entire back of the table. Paddles have already rubbed the surface during play and we have had no scratches or marks at all. Plays evenly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.